Today I'll be playing Demolition Derby 2. If you have sensitive hearing, you may want to turn your volume down. I have the volume high just in case the speaker can't hear it too well. My voice probably doesn't sound that good on camera. So I'm going to stop talking now and just play the game. This is not the sole part of the game. In fact, I'm just doing a test drive right now, as you can see right there. I did not mean to do that, but whatever. I've got some other things to do anyways, because I still need nitrous on this car. By the way, I will talk occasionally. I'll try to explain some of the game stuff. I don't really know what I'm saying, but I've got a few cars. I got a Lambo. That's pretty nice. But yeah, that's like the only nice car, except there's like a Mustang. And this game is copyrighted, and they didn't want to pay for it apparently, so please don't sue them, because then they'll sue me. Yeah, I've got a supercar, I think. Looks like a supercar to me. The next car I'm probably going to buy is probably going to be the actual racing car called Stock Car Retro or something. I think it is a Stock Car Retro. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, right here. Because I want it to be Jeff Gordon themed, because he's my favorite driver. But anyways, I'm going to get to the actual game now. And I'm going to do a race with one of the least expected vehicles, a semi. But that's because with the semi, it's really easy to win a race. And the more laps and the more opponents you have, the better the rewards. You'll notice as the laps go up, so do the rewards. Which is why I'm doing a 10-lap race. So this will be one episode. I've already made one upload, but I don't think it was very good, so I'm doing it again. But it's still up if you want to look at it. I get a little wreckish, if you want to call it. Plus I have nitrous on this semi, so I can easily beat them. Watch. I just dusted them, right? I don't like just dusting them. It gets boring. Which is why I do idiotic stuff, like let them pass me, and then come up behind them and wreck them. And don't worry, if I have ground to make up, I can do it in any amount of laps, pretty much. See, He's my least favorite guy because he's stolen my paint job. Blue with green stripes. You may not have seen a vehicle like that, but that was or is one of my paint jobs. There's another person who has the same paint job as on the semi. So I like to wreck them too. And I just don't like Victor. That's his name. The guy that was red with blue stripes there. Or purple stripes. I think they were blue. They look blue to me. Comment down below if you think they were blue or purple. At the end of this video, I will actually show what color they are. And tell. For those who are colorblind and are watching this video. Or just for the purpose of proving people wrong. I don't know. By the way, that's a little cheat there. And it works. It's not like there's an invisible barrier. There isn't. It's weird. By the way, one of my goals in this game is to lap someone every race. I don't always accomplish that, because sometimes I fool around too much. But I might accomplish it. I don't think I've fooled around too much this race. So, we'll just have to see. See, right now I'm trying to look around for people, but I'm not seeing any. See, there you go. Proof that it works. There is also other views for this. Ooh, looks like my glass is broken. That's not good. I could get a good view of the front end if I went backwards, but I don't really want to do that, because then I might lose my spot. Comment down below if you'd like to see me play Minecraft. Because I do have Minecraft. I just don't really want to play it right now. But I might. I'd be willing to if you guys want me to. Another thing to comment about down below is if this got a little boring. Because if it did, then I can split it into 2 parts next time or something. Or shorten the race, the amount of laps. Because I honestly kind of get bored too after a few laps. I just do it because it gives me a lot of money. See, what's weird is I haven't lapped anyone. Usually by about lap 3, I've lapped, like, 2 or 3 people. Here, I'm not even seeing anyone. By the way, I've already done this race. So it's not new to me, that's why I'm so good at it. Well, I don't mean to brag, by the way. Okay, over there, in the very corner of the screen, there was a pink semi. Did you see it? Comment down below if you did. I'm really gonna ask you guys to comment a lot, because I've seen people ask for comments in videos below, and I feel like comments will make my video more noticed. I might have just enough time to lap someone on lap 10, but I doubt it. My goal is to lap at least one person. See, over there, all them people. My goal is to lap at least one of them. Just one. There is also actual destruction derbies, but those take a while. Dang it. Alright, so I'm not gonna have enough time to lap anyone this race, but it kinda got boring, I know. But it's still... Alright. Thanks for watching. If you did, if you liked the video, comment about it, tell your friends, whatever. Just thanks. If you do, very good. Alright. This is Ethan, and yeah, that concludes the video. Thanks for watching.